Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day. First, check the link in the bio. I do have some great things in my LinkTree waiting for you. Your word of the day is vitality. Work on those vitals. It does not benefit you to have your heart's desires and your world's dreams with poor health and poor thinking. So I need you to eat right, treat right, be on a massage bed twice a month, be in a chiropractic office twice a month so we can get some pressure off of those pinched nerves, give you some relief, and also open up that lymph system so we can get the junk out. I'm a being of light. I accept the divine energy in my body, and every one of my cells regenerates because you take care of yourself. Stay away from pork, stay away from shellfish, eat more greens, eat more vegetables, drink more water. When you take care of your body, it takes care of you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.